Hi everyone! In this video, we'll discover 5 great vegan beauty tips that you must try out today. This video is sponsored by the audiocourse Vegan Beauty Makeover, named the makeover that would suit anybody, with great tips on how to have beautiful skin and hair and do it in a natural and vegan way. More information at the end of this video. Ready for our winning tips? Tip number 1, skin brushing. Skin brushing is a very beneficial way to easily clear out old cells, increase circulation, and get beautiful glowing skin. Your skin is your largest elimination organ and one of the 4 ways in and out of the body. Skin brushing is a lot of fun. It doesn't take long and leaves you feeling like you've just had a nice massage. Make sure you do it with a natural bristle skin brush, a brush that is soft and kind to the skin. Number 2. Use essential oils on your hair. Essential oils are extracted from plants and are a natural way to get high-quality hair treatment. They can add moisture, strength, shine, and help your hair grow healthily. You also get the greatest plus of walking around with the exotic scent of your very own perfume. For best results, spread a thin layer over your hair before you go to sleep at night and enjoy the results in the morning. Number 3. Use banana on your skin. Want a quick and easy way to nourish your skin, relax external inflammation and pain, and even smooth wrinkles? Try this one today. Get a teaspoon of banana and mash it well either with a fork or with your fingers and spread it on your skin. You'll immediately feel a subtle relaxation. Leave it on for half an hour, or if you want, you can leave it on all night, which is great because you'll wake up with amazing skin in the morning. Bananas are great because the cream you'll make is completely transparent, which makes them easier to wear than avocados. They also don't have the avocado high quantities of saturated fats. They are a natural whole food, which makes them better than using oils directly on your skin. Just make sure to use extra ripe bananas with the brown spots on, which means that they are non-acidic. Number 4. Give your makeup a makeover. Did you know that many cosmetic products contain toxins, heavy metals, and even carcinogens that can penetrate into your body and cause long-term health problems, including fertility issues and cancers? But that's very easy to avoid. There are many companies nowadays that use safe, natural ingredients that you can read and understand, like avocado butter, pomegranate seed oil, rice germ powder, and apricot. There are quite a few great products out there that respect the rule: if you can't eat it, don't put it on your skin. Number 5. Have a fruit smoothie for breakfast. Want to feel nourished, energized, and happy throughout the day? Here's a quick, easy, and inexpensive tip. Save money and boost your health by having a fruit smoothie for breakfast. Why fruit? After sleeping through the night for 6 to 8 hours, you can say that the body has been through a bit of a fast, hence the word breakfast. Now, it needs to replenish on water and energy. The best source for both would be fresh whole fruits. They are the easiest for your body to digest and provide valuable nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and energy in the most efficient way for your body to process. They also help eliminate toxins by giving your lymphatic system a quick boost that fruit gives by providing base chemistry and necessary astringents. Why a smoothie? Smoothies are a quick way to make a tasty, healthy meal while keeping the fruit whole and ensuring you get the valuable fibers you need to help your body digest fruit sugars. Want to learn how to dilute pure essential oils and create your own blend? How to skin brush your hands, legs, torso, and front in the right order? Combine food to get the best sugar metabolism? Learn which toxins are the worst in makeup and how to avoid them? Master detox and the 4 ways in and out of the body? And get a thorough learning with lots of tips for beautiful hair, great nails, and a glowing skin in just 30 days? Why not click on the link in the description to go to rawmunchies.org/beauty and learn more about what vegan beauty can do for you.